Hi guys, welcome back to another video in this translation series. Hope you're having a great time in this translation series. And this is some of the things that I did observe that you are having some issues in translating. And here I am with that kind of addressing those challenges with you. And if any challenges are there, please do comment us and let's see the sentences that we have today on the board, the set of 5 sentences. So let's see the first sentence, and before that I wanted to share a fact about translation is that the very first book that has been translated into the Indian languages is Bhagavad Gita by one of the Christian authors by name, not sure of it, but it was done by a very American rooted author. He is one of the persons who has initiated the translation in India, and the first translated book is Bhagavad Gita. So let's see these sentences how we can translate it into professional English. నేను ఇన్స్టిట్యూట్కి వెళ్ళబోతున్నాను. I will go to the institute. Let's see the second sentences. నాకు సాఫ్ట్వేర్ ఇండస్ట్రీలో ఉద్యోగం రావాలి అని ఆశిస్తున్నాను. I expect to get a job in the software industry. So as we are always being abided by the golden rule is that whatever the thing that we have in the mother tongue language and we wanted to translate into another language, make sure that we follow the golden rule. That is, whatever we are translating, the meaning should be the same, no matter how many words we can delete or add. And నాకు నచ్చే ప్రదేశాల్లో కేరళ ఒకటి is the next sentence. Out of the places I like, Kerala is one of them. Let's see the fourth sentence. నాకు అన్నిటిలోకెల్లా సంభాషణ తరగతులంటే ఇష్టం. Out of everything, I do like communication classes. So let's see the fifth sentence. నాకు Newzeninfotech ఎంతో సహాయం చేసింది. Newzeninfotech has helped me a lot. So post all these sentences, you might be thinking we can add as many versions of translations to one single sentence. Yes, you can. Make sure that the meaning is same and no matter how many words you delete or add, it's up to you. So all these series will be handy for you to have the glance over and over, and when you play it, any doubts arises, please do share to us in the form of comments. And I'll see you with the next video and next series, and whatever you want to have in this series format, the videos, please do let us know with the comment section, and I'll see you back with another video. This is Manaswini signing off with this translation series. Bye bye and take care.